Hi all, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to see the challenge of convert boolean values to string yes or no. So we have to write a function that takes a boolean value and returns yes if the string is true and no if the string is false. So we are having here a function bool to world, and here a word is passed to the function and we have to return yes or no, which is a string. So as you know, like boolean can have two values, and in Golang boolean can be represented as BOOL, and we can check if word, if you directly give as this, then you are saying like if true, then if the word is having the true value, then it is considering like if true, then return yes. So yes, I am giving it as a string because here the return type is string. Otherwise we can directly write it like else, that is word is having the false value, then I'll return as no. But here this is also correct code, but here the else block is not required, because if the word is false, then it will go into the else block. Else if you directly write this code as return no, it will also just work right fine, because it will only go into the for loop if the word is having the value of true. Otherwise we can also do it like negation of word. That means if the word is having true value, then it will act like if false. So this is also a condition that you can check, but now let's keep it simple. I'm writing the code like here only suppose we get the value as true for the word, so it will go into the if block and it will return yes. But if the value for the word is false, then it will check here if false, then it will not go into the if loop, so it will come outside of the if loop, and here it will return just no. So we can just test the code now. You can also see some of the sample test cases here, which will clear means how you are going to code and all. So as you can see here, all the test cases are passed. Now let's attempt the code. Even the attempt is successful. Now we can do any refactoring of the code if necessary, or we can also just we can also just dump the code and submit. So I'm just submitting my code now. Yes, the submit is successful. So you can go through the other code if you want, and you can check if there are some different ways through which you can do the same program and improve your knowledge. Thank you all for watching.